Family of courses in the cement industry. Present to you. Blasting in the cement industry. Blasting in the cement industry primarily refers to quarrying operations, where explosives are used to fragment limestone and raw materials. Controlled, high-pressure blasts are essential for efficient material extraction and crusher feeding, often requiring optimized techniques to minimize vibrations, noise, and fly rock. Thanks for following the channel, Courses in the Cement Industry. And please help us to continue and provide more information, by subscribe to the membership, and inviting your colleagues to watch this channel.